Hello and welcome to this short video to summarise the content of the Welsh second language course in Year 10 and 11. My name is Iaith Jones and I am the head of Welsh in Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Helo a chroeso chi i'r fideo fer hon I grynhoi cynnwys y cwrs ail iaith ym mlwyddyn 10 ac 11. Iaith Jones ydw I a fi ydi pennaeth yr adran Gymraeg yn Ysgol Dyffryn Conwy. Rwan ta, dwi yn mynd i roi crynodeb I chi o'r cwrs. Fel ydych chi'n gweld, mae'r cwrs yma wedi cael ei rannu yn 4 uned. 2 uned lafar a 2 bapur arholiad. Mae bob un cydran yn cario 25% I wneud y cyfanswm o 100% am y cwrs cyfa. As you can see, the course is divided into 4 units. There are 2 oral assessments or exams and 2 written exams, and all of the components or units are equal in value, carrying 25% of the overall mark. First of all, I'm going to talk about the first unit, Unit 1, which is the pair group task. A discussion based on a visual stimulus, which is a video clip. Mae'r uned gyntaf yn das par neu grŵp, sef trafodaeth sy'n seledig ar sbardun gweledol megis clip fideo. O edrych ar hwn yn fanylach, da ni'n gweld bydd y disgyblion yn gwylio clip fideo ac yn ateb cwestiynau ar y cynnwys ac yn rhyngweithio ac yn trafod mewn par neu grŵp gyda chyfoedion. The video clip, which is prepared by YDC, is based on work that is done during term time, the themes that we study, and the pupils will be answering questions after watching the video clip, and they will discuss the content in pairs and groups. The second oral exam is similar, also a pair group task, and this time the discussion will be based on reading stimuli, which is set by the WJC. Mae uned 2 eto'n debyg, tas par neu grŵp ydi hon eto, a mi fydd hon yn seledig ar sbardunau darllen sydd wedi cael ei gosod gan cybac. Ond o edrych ar ysbardunau ysgrifenedig, ysbardunau darllen sydd wedi cael ei darparu, mae'r tasgau yn mynd I fod yn eitha amrywiol, tasgau cyfoes, y cyfryngau cymdeithasol, yr amgylchedd, ymddygiad gwrthgymdeithasol ymysg rhai o'r themau sy'n cael ei astudio. The second oral exam, which we have already mentioned, is expressing an opinion in a group of 3 on written stimuli, which is provided by the WJEC. And all of the topics are topics that will be studied in the classroom during the year, and some of the examples we have here are social media, the environment, and antisocial behaviour. Moving on now to the reading and writing examination. As we can see, there are 2 units here, which have 25% each. This examination is based on reading stimuli, and the pupils will answer questions and write short compositions in Welsh in the examination. Mae uned 3 a 4 yn bapurau arholiad, lle bydd y disgybl yn darllen sbardunau amrywiol a mi fyddan nhw'n ymateb i'r darnau trwy ateb cwestiynau a ysgrifennu darnau byr o waith ar y pynciau sydd yn codi yn y papur arholiad. Rwan ta, ar y sleid ola yma, mae gynnon ni adnoddau ychwanegol a chymorth ar-lein megis yr apgeiriadur, cysgair ac adnoddau bite-size. A hefyd, fel ydych chi'n gweld ar y links ar y gwaelod, y termiadur, y geiriadur, a hefyd porth adnoddau'r Coleg Cymraeg Cenedlaethol. Y medr y disgybl fynd arnyn nhw I helpu fasesiadau, aseiniadau neu waith cartre. As you can see on this last slide, there are websites and online supports which can be used by the pupils to help with homework and assessments. And these resources can be found online by following the links. Thank you for listening. Diolch am wrando.